Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create a Google search AI agent in under 5 minutes. For this we're going to use n8n. So once here we are going to have to create a workflow or workspace. We go here to the plus sign and click on the new workflow. Once we are in this little area here, let's wait for it to load. And here we will head to add our first step. Once here in our first step, we'll have to search for the one that says when chat message received. Here we will have all the parameters. Let's exit this area. And we're going to add another step, which will be the AI agent section. Here we are going to search for this one and right here. So here we'll have this section. Once we have this, we are going to have to add the model. So we'll click here on the plus sign. Here we'll have to select the model we are going to use, which in this case will be the Google Gemini chat model. Let's click on it and here we'll have this. Then in credentials, in this case we see that n8n give us a free credits, but we can set it to my own credentials. And here we need to create a credential, so we'll click on setup credential and here we'll have the following. What we are going to do or we are going to have to do is go to the Gemini API key section, which will send us to Google AI Studio. Let's continue with this and create our own API key from this section in here. We will click here on create, give it a name. For example, let's put it n8n and click on create API key. Once that's done, our first API key will be created. We will click save. And once this is done, we'll have our API key saved as you will be able to see. So once that's done, we will click this area and we can also choose the model. In this case, we'll set it, for example, to 2.5 flash. And we will have our model configured, right? Now in the memory section, we will click where it says plus and we'll add a simple memory. Here we'll be able to have the following. We will click the X and we'll have our memory added. Now in this section here, we are going to add under our tools section, we are going to add the HTTP request tool. So here under URL, we are going to use the following. We are going to search for SERP API, which is one of the API that are good and free. We're going to copy what will be the fetch URL. It will be this one here. Then further down, we'll have to enable this send query parameters section. We will click here, set this to CX, and under value, what we want is to search for programmable search engine, and here we are going to create one. It could be, for example, tutorial. We will click next, and then we'll simply have to create it. Let's scroll all the way down, enable this right here, check I'm not a robot, and wait for this so we can click where it says create. In my workflow in the end, we are going to paste this, and now we will exit this area here. And what we are going to do is simply open a chat, and here we are going to type search about World War I. And as you can see here, we will have our first search. Here it's giving us more. And on this side, as you can see in the output, it comes out in a different format since that has to be stored in memory. And so as you can observe, every time we ask a question, it will be performed this search. So we can automate this even further with nodes, but it depends on what you are looking for.